In this short video tutorial, we will be learning how we can block or unblock camera access on Google Chrome. So this is useful for users who want more control over their privacy while browsing the web. So the first step is to open the Google Chrome. Let's first open our Google Chrome browser. And once it's already open, we need to access the settings. So we need to click on the three-dot menu icon on the top right corner of the browser. And once you have done that, please scroll down, and at the very top bottom, you will see there the settings option. So please make a click on that. And here we need to navigate to privacy and settings. So please click on this privacy and security option. In the left sidebar or in the right sidebar, in the right section, you will see there the site settings. So please scroll down. At the very bottom part, you will see there site settings. Controls what information sites can use and show. You have there the location, camera, pop-ups, and more. So please click on this one. And here you will be seeing now the permissions, or under permission section, we have this camera option where sites can ask to use your camera. So let us click on this one. And by default, the setting is sites can ask to use your camera. So we need to block access or block camera access, and to do that, select the second option, don't allow sites to use your camera. So to enable camera access, you can also select the first option, this one, and this is to disable. So similarly, you can also block or unblock microphone access by scrolling down to the microphone. Let's just click on this back arrow key here, and then we need to click on this microphone, and this is to enable access or enable sites to access your microphone, and this is to disable or block sites to use your microphone. So it's just the same thing, or just the same process to block or unblock the access of the site to use this microphone or camera. So this quick tutorial shows you how to block or unblock camera and microphone access in Google Chrome. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.